everyone. How's your afternoon? Okay, today is Tuesday, our computer. Okay, I'm your teacher again, Teacher Eden. We are on our third quarter. We are on our week 5. Our lesson for today, it's all about using the word pad or using the word pad program. Okay, children. Okay, listen very carefully as I discuss our lesson, our tackle today. Okay, listen to my discussion, okay? Okay, very good. So, the word pad buttons. Okay. So, these are the word pad buttons command. Okay, I will show you. So, the word pad button commands is the number 1, new. This starts, number 1, new. This starts and creates a new document. Number 2, open. This opens a saved document. Number 3, save. This saves the document. Number 4, save as. This saves the document with a new name or format. Okay, so these are the 4 word pad buttons commands. Okay, so I will show you another. So the changing font. These are the formatting document. Letter A is the changing font. Okay, that's all. So, what is it? Okay, changing font. Number 1, select or highlight the text you want to change. Number 2, on the home tab, click and drop down arrow to view listed fonts in the font group. Number 3, select your desired font. So these are the steps of changing the font. Okay? Letter B, setting the text alignment. Is this, children? Okay. So setting the text alignment is that. So number 1, select or highlight the text you want to set the alignment. Number 2, in the paragraph group on the home tab, choose your desired alignment. Left, right, or justify and click it. So that's the steps of setting the text alignment. Okay? Then, inserting objects. Okay, letter A, picture. Okay, there are 4 steps. Number 1, in insert group on the home tab, click picture. Number 2, a drop down menu will appear. Then select picture. Number 3, locate and click the picture you want to insert. Number 4, click open. So that's all about pictures. Okay. A letter, or rather, drawing. Letter B, drawing. Number 1, in the insert group on the home tab, click paint drawing. Number 2, the paint program will appear. You can now draw what you want to insert. Then number 3, close the paint program. Okay, you can see X that close, that is close. So close the paint program. Okay, So that's all about drawing. Current date. Okay? So, the current date. Number 1, in insert group on home tab, click date and type. Number 2, click in the format you desire. Then, number 3, click OK. Okay, that's all about current date. Zoom in and zoom out. Zoom in and out. Okay? So, to zoom into or out of page, click and drag zoom in, or you can see that a negative or positive yung plus, or zoom out the negative, you can see that I'm like minus, like that. Okay. Button on the zoom line at the bottom of the WordPad window. Okay? To zoom in or out of page, click and drag the zoom in or zoom out button on the zoom slider at the bottom of the WordPad window. These buttons increase or decrease the zoom level. Okay, that's all. You can see that there are the plus and the minus. That is the zoom in and the zoom out. Okay, that's all about zoom in and zoom out. Ruler. Okay, number 1, in the show or hide group on the view tab, check the ruler box. Number 2, in the settings group, click measurements units. Number 3, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, choose your desired unit of measurement. So that's all about ruler. Then the word warp. Wrap ka lang. Word wrap. Okay? Okay. So number 1, in the settings group on the view tab, click word wrap. Then number 2, a drop-down menu will appear. From the choices, click and setting you want. Oh, that's all about word wrap. Margins. Number 1, click the WordPad button to view the command menu. Number 2, click page setup. Number 3, adjust the measurement. And number 4, click OK. That's all about margins. Okay. Then, printing document. So that is all about print. Number 1, click the WordPad button. Number 2, point to print. Number 3, a command menu will appear. Click print. Then number 4, print dialog box will appear. Click print. Okay? So note, you can also directly click print icon and print dialog will appear. Okay, that's all about print. Print preview. So what's all about print preview? Okay, the print preview is you can use print preview to see the actual appearance or view of your document before printing it. Number 1, click the WordPad button. Number 2, point to print. Number 3, a command menu will appear. Click print preview. Number 4, after you have finished viewing your document, click close and print preview. So that's all about using WordPad window. Okay, I will read it to you in a second time. Okay, Number 1, WordPad buttons command. The forward pad button is the new, open, save, and save as. The formatting document is the changing the font. Then setting the text align. Insert objects. Then the insert objects is the picture. Letter A, picture. Letter B, drawing. And not letter C, current date. Then, the zoom in and the zoom out and ruler. Then, the word wrap. Then, the margins. The print and the print preview. That's all about the using WordPad window. Okay, children? Do you understand our lesson? Okay. If you have questions regarding to our lesson, feel free to chat me on my messenger. Okay, thank you for your listening.